In the heart of a bustling Indian city, amid ancient trees, lives a quiet guardian, the Grey Hornbill. Modest in grey, yet remarkable in devotion.
Pairs stay together lifelong, gliding from tree to tree in search of figs, berries, and hidden treasures.
When the season calls, they choose a hollow, high and safe, where new life will begin. She slips inside the hollow, ready to seal herself away for weeks, trusting her mate completely. Together they build a living prison of mud and trust. She inside, he outside, with just a slender slit remaining. Day after day he flies tirelessly, figs, insects, berries, feeding her through that narrow window. She guards their eggs, then their chicks, molting, waiting, nourished only by his endless care. He never falters. His devotion echoes an ancient promise, family above all. Weeks later, the wall crumbles. Mother and young emerge, ready for the sky.
The young stretch their wings, learning the glide their parents mastered long ago. As seed dispersers, they weave forests anew. Even in cities, life finds a way through their quiet wings.
The Grey Hornbill, humble, steadfast, essential, a gentle reminder that true strength often wears the softest gray.